If you tune into meteorologist Amelia Siegel over the weekend, she told you yesterday that, we would probably be dealing with a weather advisory or a weather watch as we got into Monday, and sure enough, that's the case. Well, I know you can't feel the temperature based on this picture, but it just kind of looks cold out there, doesn't it? And I guarantee it is. As you walk out the door, it's going to hit you again. Not quite as cold as it was last week at this time, but pretty close to it. Well, then after the cold, we turn our attention to the storm systems that are going to be heading our way over the next couple days. 2 of them. How about that? Double your pleasure, right? The first one is weaker. The second one much more powerful, getting into the Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame. We will be very busy monitoring this stuff. In fact, I have a new computer run that's running right now on a computer here in the weather office. Going to try to get it on the air before the finish of the 6 a.m. show today. So stick around for that. We'll see if it changes its mind, at least from the overnight predictions. But a winter storm watch in effect for all of Western New York and down into northern PA beginning Tuesday evening through Wednesday evening for potentially heavy snow, but there may be a wintry mix in there as well, especially for areas to the south of the city. By the way, this winter storm watch is also in effect for the northern tier counties of PA. It goes into effect already late tonight through Wednesday afternoon for the northern tier of PA down in this direction for our viewership in that direction. Weather for today, for this Monday, we're going to be looking at some sunshine after sunup this morning and a very chilly temperature of only 8 above. Some spots are into the sub-zero range again across the region this morning at noontime. Some clouds start to head our way. 14, 16 to wrap it up with cloudier skies at 5 p.m. Should be dry for the day. So if you have errands to get in, today is definitely your best bet to get that in, as the weather's going to be heading downhill over the next couple days. We're looking at that sunshine fading to some cloudiness this afternoon. Thicker clouds heading our way as we get into the evening hours tonight. And that first weaker storm starts to impact the area with snow spreading northward during the nighttime period. So already by tomorrow morning, it's up to the Lake Ontario shoreline. Maybe a couple inches already by morning along the PA line, dusting to an inch across northern areas. Manageable amounts. We'll tack on a couple more inches during the day tomorrow. Actually, the snow becomes more intermittent, especially getting into the afternoon hours. The second, much more powerful storm starts to head our way getting into Tuesday night and Wednesday. Very strong winds kick into gear Tuesday night into early Wednesday. This particular computer run of the microcast is bringing a bit of a mix even into northern areas, with the mix of sleet and freezing rain much more likely, especially across the southern tier and the northern tier counties of PA. So it'll be interesting to see how that new computer run deals with this situation, if it changes that. The forecast highs this afternoon, 16 at the Falls, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, down through Lancaster, about 17. We'll do it at Medina. Closer to the Pennsylvania line, it may actually be a bit milder, maybe a little bit closer to 20 degrees down here along the border this afternoon. And that goes for Jamestown as well. Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca, you should peak at about 17. Right now, it's 6 above here in Buffalo, 7 above at Niagara Falls. We have a 3 down at Wellsville and Bradford. These readings may be dropping a few more degrees prior to sunup this morning, and -9 down at Dunkirk. Your forecast details for this Monday: a very cold start to the day. Sun giving way to afternoon clouds with a high between 15 to 20 degrees. For the overnight, snow spreading northward across all of the region, a dusting to an inch up north to a couple inches along the PA line. The lows tonight, 12 to 15. Snow is likely tomorrow, maybe a couple more inches out of that, becoming more intermittent, especially during the afternoon. Some mixed precipitation may be possible well to the south, 22 to 26, and on Wednesday, snow and very windy. The snow can be heavy at times. A wintry mix is possible, especially to the south of the city, 27 to 32. That will taper to some scattered snow showers around here on Thursday and a high of 21. It's 6:20.